If you're having your Android phone and if you'd like to use a dual Facebook Messenger or dual Facebook, how do you do that? We are going to see in this video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Without much delay, I can get into the video by just going to top right corner on my mobile. After going to top right corner, just tap it here on the settings icon. Just tapping here, you'll be entering into all the settings menu, and this menu will be having lot of options to select. Scroll up somewhere you'll find advanced features on your newly available mobile phones nowadays. All these phones are coming with advanced features, and on my mobile phone it is given. Just tap it here. Upon tapping, you'll be again having so many options here. Out of this advanced feature options, dual messenger is the one of the option. If you find it here under the advanced features, just go and tap it on dual messenger. On my dual messenger, whichever apps are supported for a dual thing will be notified here. On my mobile, it is WhatsApp and Facebook. Both can be I can have both these WhatsApp and Facebook as dual messenger. If you want this Facebook to be installed on your phone twice, like two Facebook messengers you can use on your mobile phone. If you do say this one with enable by tapping, if you tap there, it will ask you to install one more time as a second copy of that app, and go and just install. That's all, boom. Whatever the existing Facebook you are having, there will be another copy, and from now onwards you can use both the Facebook accounts for Facebook Messenger accounts basically. So this is how it works, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.